All right, guys, so how are you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel. All right, so this is Fab Crypto, guys. So today's video, we're going to dive into the Binance coin and see how we can be profitable trading Binance coin and the best place to position yourself and how you can exit. All right, so if you are freaking out on the recent drawdown, don't panic because there is a chance for retracement, which is going to make us a lot of money. So guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video as we dive into the coin now. All right, let's go to the chart. All right, guys, so this is a Binance coin, USD. All right, so this is a weekly chart. If you go to the monthly chart, let's go to the monthly chart, guys. I think let's start from the monthly so you can see the thing clearly. All right, so you can know what we are doing and how far we're expecting this wave, guys. So ever since the Binance coin was launched 2017, you can see now the market just make a correction, kind of. This is the market started from here. Okay, so this is a running flat, and man, after that, all these are wave. This is just one wave, man. This is a massive one. You can see how just a vertical a vertical line, guy. Okay, this is a monthly chart. So it takes how many 3 months precisely to get to this point. All right, so now it's always healthy that the market corrects himself. So now this is just the monthly chart is just showing us impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, and that is this impulse here, correction here, impulse here. So this is just what the monthly chart is showing us. All right, so let's dive into the weekly chart and see what we can drive from there. Okay, you can see obviously the same thing applies to the weekly chart, just like the market is retracing. The market is retracing here. So now the next question which is very important to every trader and every investor is how deep is this retracement going to go? All right, are we retracing going back from here, or is it still going down there? So that's the best question we're going to answer today. So to tell you how you can position yourself for this retracement. All right, so looking at the weekly charts, there's not much data here for us, so we gotta go for let's go to the daily. All right, so this is better off here. So when you look at the daily chart now, the structure is more clear here. All right, so if you go to the daily now, you can see that this trend has been broken here clearly. So the trend has been broken, you can see that. So the trend has been broken. So this is a very sharp sell-off. So what does this thing tell us, guys? This is telling us that the structure of this bull market has ended. All right, so it means that this first vertical line that is going up has ended. So there might be a bigger correction here and another vertical line upward, or a bigger correction here and downward. So depends on what the market will show us here. That will determine the next wave on how we can trade it. So which one are we taking? All right, so if you take a look from this market correctly now, you can see that the only thing that the market has shown us is first move. Okay, the only thing that the market has shown us here is what? The first impulse downwards. That's the only thing that the market has shown us here. All right, so now what we're expecting after the market has finished this wave, there will be a pullback. Definitely there will be a pullback, and this pullback, we're expecting it to get to this point. Okay, worst come to worst, it gets to this point. Okay, so then we'll be expecting the next wave down. All right, so this is what we're expecting in Binance coin. So it will be after this completed before we now know whether the market is going up or it will be coming down. See, the weekly chart, the daily chart just make things just clear and easy for us. All right, because if you're going down to 4 hours, we'll just be following according to what the bigger time frame has said, because in trend, bigger time frame always dominates. Okay, so along after like 1 week or so, you find that it is where the weekly chart says the market is going. That's exactly where the market will be going. So I wouldn't want you to be trapped in case you've not sold, because many guys like, hey, I bought Binance at $100, I bought it at 200, Okay, now even some bought at 400. Now they are panicking. So you shouldn't panic. So I have a good news for you that you should wait for this pullback. Okay, you should wait for this pullback. Now, there are many characteristics of this pullback that we will see that might make the market to break the all-time high. And also there might be a characteristic that we'll see that will make the markets to definitely to retrace back. So, but in a nutshell, irrespective of whatever you might be expecting, there is a room for the market to retrace back, which is very, very important. Okay, so which is very, very important. So I was, if you are an investor or you have already into the Binance coin, I think just wait for this, guys. Okay, wait for this as 540 to 600 within this range. There might be that's a very good second chance for you to take some profits, because after that the market is coming down. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours now and see exactly when will this pullback started. You can see clearly that there is an indication already that this might be a beginning of a pullback, because there's already a divergence occurring. Okay, so there's a divergence occurring here, and I think if I go to 1 hour, okay, good, you can see now in 1 hour there is already a divergence occurring. So what we'll be expecting in 1 hour is here, and there will be a correction here, and there we go. So you might take this trade upward if you're interested, and if you know how to manage your trade from here, guys. So this is what we're expecting. All right, so guys, if we take a look from it here critically, you can see that there's no need panicking anytime the market is selling off. Okay, there's no need panicking. You see, you can only be buying, not selling. All right, so anytime you see markets retracing very deeply and stuff like that, stop panicking. Okay, so because definitely there will be a retest. So there is like 80 to 90% chances that this market is going to retest back to this range, and after this retest, then the market will now start coming down. So wait for it, guys. And if you're interested, or if you have been holding your Binance, then you can liquidate part from percentage around this region, guys, so before the market start coming down. All right, so these are the what you can drive from the Binance coin now, and I think doing it this way will be more profitable for you guys than instead of freaking out. Okay, guys, so I wouldn't want you to miss on this, and that's why I just need to pay attention to how the market is developing. We trade what we see, not what the social media is saying, not what we are thinking most times, because from other projection or other anticipation we're having, if you are holding Binance coin, we're expecting Binance coin to get to $1,000 or even $2,000 so that you can make a lot of money. But when the market is telling you otherwise, so you got to play safe. Okay, so what we're expecting here, wait for these guys, and there we go. This will be a beautiful trade. Okay, I think we'll monitor this and we can take a long position, because we're expecting obviously like let's say 80% to 90%, all right, profit on this. So that's what we'll be expecting in the next pullback of this market. All right, guys, I believe you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video, because more of this will be coming your way in other coin. And if I should wrap this video up, okay, let's look at Bitcoin to wrap this video up, guys, because there's a lot of guys already panicking on Bitcoin. And let me tell you, because Bitcoin is the king of crypto as today starts. So what is Bitcoin doing, guys? Okay, we traded Bitcoin from here, we traded also from here, guys. Okay, so now what we're expecting Bitcoin to do is two things we're expecting it to do. Now if you look at it critically, it's still very bearish. It's still very, very, very bearish. I won't lie to you. What the market is showing us here is not that strong, but there might be an exception. Okay, the exception might be if Bitcoin actually rallies and break this previous resistance. That is an exception that the market has recovered. Okay, if not, the only thing I'm looking at here, guys, might be something like here, guys. Okay, look at this, and down we go. Okay, something like this might happen. So, but it's not proven yet. It's not proven. So let's watch and see how the market develop. But as I see that this trend, market has cleared this trend, it has cleared this channel kind of trend, so we might see a bigger structure somewhere here, okay, so before we're coming down or we're going up. So just watch and see how the market develop within this region, guys. All right, so that is what we are bringing to you today, being Monday. All right, so what to trade responsibly. Tomorrow we are releasing another video on doing other analysis, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you once again and remain profitable.